Hi everyone and welcome back to Reeta Soul Food. Today we're making vegetable fried rice. If you haven't subscribed, then please click that subscribe button now and the bell notification to be informed of new vegetarian recipes that I upload each week. Thank you so much. Our goal is to get to 100 subscribers, then 1,000, and then infinity and beyond. So please help us get there together. Thank you so much. Also, if you like this recipe, please click on like, give it a thumbs up, and let me know in the comments what you think. Share this with your friends and family as well. Thank you so much. Okay, so let's get started with this delicious recipe. You'll just need some pre-cooked rice. Here I've got some brown rice, and it was actually leftovers from before, so it came in quite handy for this yummy recipe. So here I've just used one chestnut mushroom, and that's because of the portion size with the amount of rice. I've used one spring onion and then some French beans. I've also got some lovely spinach as well, so all in all very good for you. So you can see I've chopped the spring onion and the French beans at a slight angle, which will give a nice effect once it's mixed into the rice. You don't have to chop the spinach, it wilts itself, but I just thought I'd help it along the way. I'm not letting anything go to waste here. I'm using the stalk of the mushroom. I'm just peeling away the skin of the mushroom. I've given everything a good wash, and I'll be chopping it slightly bigger, because what will happen is once we cook the mushrooms down, they will sweat and shrink, so just be aware of that when you're cutting the mushrooms, that they will get smaller in size as they cook. Don't forget to check out all the other recipes on my channel, Reeta's Soul Food, once you've watched this recipe to the end, of course. And also don't forget to subscribe to my channel as well. Thank you. So in a pan, I've just put some oil, some Asafoetida, which is completely optional. It gives the flavour of onion and garlic. I've added some chili flakes as well and put in the spring onions. Just a little pinch of sugar as well, just to help it cook along the way. And you can also add some salt to help it sweat down too. So I've put all our vegetables in. I've got some pepper, some coarse black pepper. I've added some salt as well and some soy sauce, and give that a good mix around. So that's been cooking for about 10 minutes, and we're ready to go in with our lovely brown rice that we'd already cooked earlier. So I'm giving that a really good mix, going right to the bottom of the pan, getting all those gorgeous flavours out and making sure that the rice and the veg and all those lovely flavours mingle nicely together. This really is a very quick recipe that you can throw together. Whatever veg you've got in your fridge, you can be quite creative with this one. If you've got leftover rice as well, it's great to turn this into a lovely meal, which is filling and also nourishing with our lovely vegetables as well. You could use white rice here. I just wanted to use brown rice because it's got so much of a nice bite to it, and it's got that chewy texture as well, which I love. my second portion, as this was so good, I just put some mayonnaise and some extra black pepper, as you can see. If you've watched up until this point, then thank you so much, and don't forget to click that subscribe button. Until the next time, thank you and see you soon. Bye.